A car wash.
Whoa.
And Dinoco Lightning McQueen, that's right. So the car wash is all done. We have the water, so what we'll do is we'll take some of the hot water. Oh, he turned blue. And then he's back to purple. Red to yellow. Oh, now he's back to red. Now he's yellow. Whoa. What are these?
So many cars.
Look at all of these cars.
Ah! A car wash!
A car wash.
That's
Whoa. And Dinoco Lightning McQueen, that's right.
Dino.
Yeah, it looks like it's a color changer car wash.
Ah!
Whoa, look at that guy.
Dino.
Whoa.
Dino tomato.
No, it's not tomato, but look at the guy. And look at this one. Whoa, what are these ones, Lorenzo?
Wow, my fucking cars!
Oh, these are color changers.
This. Whoa, tomato.
Wait, let's start down here. This one is the first one. Which one is this?
Tomato.
Oh, it's tomato?
This tomato.
Oh, yeah, look, it's color changer tomato. You want to open it up?
Yes!
Pull from the bottom.
A pull button.
Yeah, pull it. There you go.
Wow!
Whoa, look at that. Color changer.
I put it daddy.
Yeah, we're gonna open them all. Let's collect them and then we'll open them all at the same time.
Okay.
Now, who is this?
No tomato.
Nice. What's his name? Let's see. Paul Conrav.
Wow, tomato.
Oh, that's a big Cave Lightning McQueen. You don't have a big Cave Lightning McQueen yet.
Okay.
Pull from the bottom.
A pull button.
Mm-hmm. Go ahead. Oh, good job. Okay, so we got Cave Lightning McQueen. We got Tomato. Oh, Jeff Corvette as a color changer. Look, he changes to red.
See?
Yep. Pull Corvette. Oh, look, now we got Jeff Corvette. Ooh, who's this? Revo Cos?
Mona is purple.
Yeah, Ramon is purple and he turns blue. Look at that.
Can be purple.
Yeah, and look, Cave Lightning McQueen, he's gonna turn white. Tomato's gonna turn green. Okay, so look, this is who we got so far. Wait, pull this guy out too. Oh, let's see. Yep, he's gonna turn purple. See, he's blue now, but he's gonna turn purple, it looks like. All right, let's push these guys ahead and let's go up here to these other two. Okay, Lorenzo, we're back doing another unboxing. So let's see how many cars we have. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And we have the car wash. Look at this awesome car wash. I don't think we showed everybody the car wash. Look at this. Which one do you want to open first? Here, let's put them all like this for you.
Me apple this.
You want to open tomato first?
Me apple the tomato first.
Okay, let's open color changer tomato first. Ready?
Okay. So cool.
That's right.
Me pull this out the home.
Oh, you want to pull it out? Okay.
No.
Nice. Let's take a look at him. So he's a plastic guy, but he's a color changer.
Me apple this first.
All right, which one's next?
Tomato.
Corvette.
Yes.
Look at Corvette, Jeff Corvette. Ooh, look at Jeff Corvette. Look at this guy. Let's open him. This is Jason Roadkey. Whoa, look at the spikes on his head. Very cool. He's not a race car. He's a demolition derby car. He's from the Cave Lightning McQueen. Where's Cave Lightning McQueen? You want to do him next?
Me too. Me too this guy.
This guy next?
Yeah.
Okay. Revo Cos. Let's see what he looks like. There we go.
It's out of the myself.
He has 115 on him. Nice.
Did it make her?
Yeah, he's a bit of a race car. Which guy do you want to do next? This guy? Cave Lightning McQueen? Okay, here's Cave Lightning McQueen. Ooh, look at his wheels. They're like rocks, Lorenzo. We have the baby Cave Lightning McQueens. Now you have the big one. Yeah, now you have a big one.
Purple Moon.
You want to open Purple Ramon?
Yeah.
Okay, let's open Purple Ramon. And Ramon turns blue, it looks like.
Pink purple.
Look at this. Ramon has white wheels.
Another with wheels.
Yeah. Let's park Ramon right here. So these are the cars we have so far. Which one do you want to open next?
This guy.
This guy? So we have a couple of cars from Tokyo. We have Ido Sand. This one looks like Wingo almost. Look at his green wheels. I like it.
We put Carwash here.
Yep.
Put
And look,
Carwash.
this is the last guy. Paul Conrev.
We have Carwash.
We do have a Paul Conrev. Now we have another one. Look at this. Number 90 on the side. Very cool. You want to open the car wash now? Okay. Let's park all of these cars. Okay, let's see.
Look here. We put the Carwash here. A plastic block. Wow!
Whoa, look at all of these. Look at all of these pieces that we have. We have some directions.
Oh, look at that one. Oh, look at that
Oh,
one.
look at what that said. What does that say?
A dinosaur on this.
There's a dinosaur on it. That's right. Oh, look at the. Whoa.
This
It says Dynaco.
dinosaur.
Yep. Look at this. There's 2 buckets. I think this is where we fill the water. Yeah, look at all of these pieces. Oh, here's a bag full of pieces. Oh, and look, this says car wash. We can't forget about Lightning McQueen up here. Got the little Dynaco forklift out. We have another Dynaco Lightning McQueen. All right, so the car wash is all done. We have the water, so what we'll do is we'll take some of the hot water, let it fill all the way up. All right, Lorenzo, the first car you want to change colors, put it in this. Dynaco McQueen. Go ahead. Oh, he turned black. Go ahead, put him all the way in. Dunk him all the way in. Now take him out. And then put him in the car wash. Drive him up. Nice. Blue. Yeah, look at that. Look at that. Oh, we probably should have had that underneath. Okay, that's cool. And then we got to go like this, I think. Yep. Push him out. Nice. Look at Dynaco Lightning McQueen. He's blue and black.
Let's do this car.
Okay, let's do that car. Yep, let's put him in the car wash there. Let's put this on him. Nice, we'll fill this all the way up. Ready? And we'll put this up here. Let's put this down here so this time we don't spill. Okay, ready? Do this. Yep, push that. Oh, look at that. Yep, squeeze it. Squeeze it. Nice. Look at that, he's turning... What color is he turning? White. Okay, looks like Ramon's already his color. Orange one. Oh, he turned blue.
Purple.
And then he's back to purple. And then he's back to blue. Yeah, he turned black again. Yeah, he turned blue again. What do you think color Jeff Corvette will turn?
Pink.
You think it turned pink?
Red.
He turned red. Oh, kind of like an orangish red.
I is that?
Yeah, that's cool. I like that.
Tomato.
Tomato?
Yeah. Turn.
He turned green.
Back like that. Ah,
Blue.
blue then.
Yep. Green. Blue. Now he's half green, half blue. Yep, put him in the car wash. If you push him all the way to the end, this will go down and he'll go. See? Like that.
He's stuck.
Yep, he got a little stuck. All right. What about this guy? What color do you think he turns?
No.
Put him in the hot one. Let's see what this guy does. Oh, look. See, he turned all the way blue. Look. When he goes in here, he's dark blue. I don't think he's a color changer, but he could go through the car wash. Why not?
Right now.
Why not? Yep. Woo. Nice. Here, let's let this guy go. Get him gas first. Right here. Yep. Nice. Yeah, he went from red to yellow. Oh, now he's back to red. Now he's yellow. Now he's red.